Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new base within your vault or workspace on Obsidian Notes. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your workspace or vault, and here guys on the left hand side what you want to do is right click into that list of content within your vault and select new base. And then you will see your base, which is basically the summary or internal linking of all parts of your or all content of your workspace. As you can see here, all are linked, internally linked, listed as a table, and you can right click into that base, for example, and rename it, delete it, access its version history, and yeah, treat it the same way as any other element or component within your workspace. Here to the right you will see the component type, which is a base. That's how it works. Let me remove it. Click into delete, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.